Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smartphone sanitizers on the market right now. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why I've done the research for you, breaking down the features, design, performance, and value of each product. All the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's get started. At rank number 5, we have the UV Light Sanitizer. Cell Phone Sanitizer Cleaner Box for smartphone iPhone. This device is a no-frills, straightforward sanitizer that aims to deliver quick and effective UVC disinfection for your smartphone and small gadgets. Key features include a compact design and a simple single-button operation, making it user-friendly for those who prioritize ease of use. The design is fairly minimalist, with a lightweight plastic build. While it won't win any awards for aesthetics, it's small enough to fit on your desk or nightstand without being an eyesore. In terms of performance, it uses UVC light to kill up to 99.99% of germs in just a few minutes, a solid performance for the price range. However, it lacks advanced features such as wireless charging or multiple UV bulbs for faster results, which you'll find in higher-end models. This sanitizer is a good choice for someone who wants a no-nonsense, budget-friendly option. However, the lack of additional features, like wireless charging or a larger capacity, means it may not be ideal for someone looking to sanitize multiple items simultaneously. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while cons involve its limited functionality and somewhat basic build quality. Coming in at number 4 is the UV Sanitizer Box by CleanseCrate, a product that stands out for its large capacity and emphasis on versatility. This model is designed not only for smartphones, but also for other small items like keys, wallets, and earbuds. With 20 images available, the visual presentation of this product highlights its spacious interior and sleek design. The build quality is solid, with a durable plastic exterior and a well-thought-out layout that makes it easy to load multiple items. Performance-wise, this sanitizer uses UVC light for fast disinfection, claiming to kill 99.9% of germs in a matter of minutes. Its larger capacity means you can sanitize multiple items at once, which is a significant advantage for users with busy lifestyles. While it's versatile and efficient, the absence of additional features like wireless charging might be a drawback for some. The CleanseCrate is ideal for families or individuals who need to sanitize multiple items simultaneously. Pros include its spacious design and effective disinfection, while cons are its lack of portability and absence of extra features like charging capabilities. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is the PhoneSoap 3, one of the most popular and trusted smartphone sanitizers on the market. With patented 360-degree UVC light technology, this product is clinically proven to disinfect your phone effectively, killing up to 99.99% of germs. The design is compact and elegant, with a white finish that adds a touch of sophistication. It doubles as a universal charger, allowing you to sanitize your phone while it charges, a convenient feature for multitaskers. The PhoneSoap 3 is easy to use, with a straightforward operation that involves placing your phone inside and closing the lid. The UVC light automatically activates, and a small indicator lets you know when the cleaning cycle is complete. This product is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality sanitizer with charging capabilities. Its pros include its proven effectiveness, dual functionality, and sleek design. The only downside is that it doesn't have a larger capacity for sanitizing multiple items at once, which might be a limitation for some users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect smartphone sanitizer for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time, stay safe and take care.